Stop complex funnels. Your real estate leads are on WhatsApp, and your ads should be too. Forget landing pages. Start high-value conversations now, using Meta ads to instantly generate, qualify, and nurture your best leads, from foreign investors to local buyers, directly in WhatsApp. It's cost-effective, works 24/7, and ensures you never miss a golden lead while you're closing deals. Why are top real estate pros making the switch to WhatsApp campaigns? It's simple. You meet leads where they are. Engage international and local clients right on the app they use for daily business. Get ready for high engagement at a low cost. Nurture more leads for less than a phone call and see higher response rates than email. Need to save time? Use our AI assistant from Placey for instant qualification. Filter out the browsers by budget, location, and timeline before you ever pick up the phone. Serving a global market? No problem. Our multilingual solution automatically bridges language barriers, serving investors from around the world instantly. And the best part? Seamless integration. Sync all your lead data directly to CRMs to keep your entire pipeline unified. Convinced that click to WhatsApp is the way to go? Awesome! But before you launch your campaign, you need to make absolutely sure your WhatsApp is flawlessly connected to your Facebook assets. Here's the checklist. You'll need 2 mandatory things and 1 optional but highly effective advanced setup. First, linked Business Manager and WhatsApp accounts. If you're already a Placey user, this should be configured. Otherwise, contact us for assistance. Linking your WhatsApp business account is a straightforward process. Simply navigate to your business portfolio settings to complete the setup. You must first have a WhatsApp business account. Once that is set up, simply enter your phone number and follow the subsequent instructions. Second, link your business page to that phone number by going to your settings and privacy at facebook.com/settings. Select the Linked Accounts option. Click on WhatsApp. The settings page will appear. Locate the Connect a Number option and click it. To connect your number, enter it and then submit the received code. You can verify the setup is correct by checking for the button on your page and confirming its functionality. Third, the dataset in Event Manager. Setting this up, while highly effective, requires either a third-party provider or internal developers who can assist with configuring the Conversion API. This connection will enable enhanced tracking. You will also be able to view additional events and parameters within your reports, which will enhance your campaign optimization efforts. For advanced settings implementation, please contact the Placey team. Before optimizing Meta ads, you must define your why. Understanding your exact real estate goal dictates your campaign type and objective. All right, let's dive right into setting up your Click to WhatsApp campaign. Right now, on your screen, you'll see a quick reference table. Think of this as your essential checklist for the entire process. And as a bonus, we've also included our top recommendations for running campaigns that generate direct phone calls, just in case you want to explore that option. Here's what you need to do now. First, choose the campaign type you're about to run. Second, select the corresponding objective. The objectives in this table are ranked by how well they might fit your campaign type, but think of them as the best places to start testing. Once you've made your selections, you can jump straight to the specific video section using the time marker to get all the extra details you need. Now, a quick but important note for our friends in Europe. As of February 2026, the powerful leads objective isn't available when using WhatsApp as your destination. Other markets can use this. For every single campaign you run that touches on buying, selling, or renting property, you absolutely must set the special ad category to housing. Okay, you have your perfect objective. Now, let's execute the how. Let's suppose you want to choose the traffic objective. This is the key starting point for driving people right to your WhatsApp chat. Inside your new traffic ad set, make sure the message destination is set to manual, and then select WhatsApp. You'll need to specify the connected phone number here. Since we're laser-focused on WhatsApp leads, go ahead and deselect both Messenger and Instagram. Once that's done, you can move on to configuring the rest of your campaign parameters. Now, let's set up the user experience once they click your ad and land in WhatsApp. You'll need to use the chat builder to create this flow. First, you'll craft the automated greeting. That's the first text your lead sees. We also highly recommend pre-filling common questions your leads might have. This acts as a warm start, making it super easy for them to engage and dramatically boosting your response rates. For campaigns where you want to receive calls directly, simply enter your number in the Call Now field. Getting your engagement campaign set up is incredibly simple. For the conversion setting, choose Message as the desired conversion location. Next, you need to tell Meta where you want these leads to go. We're keeping things focused purely on WhatsApp for this campaign. So select WhatsApp and make sure you deselect both Messenger and Instagram. To set up the WhatsApp user experience post-ad click, use the chat builder. Create an automated greeting, which is the first text the lead sees. Crucially, pre-fill common questions for a warm start to boost engagement and response rates. Choosing calls as your conversion goal? Great. Now it's time to tell us where those calls should go. You need to directly enter the exact phone number right into your ad configuration. If you're running lead generation campaigns in Europe, you know it can be a real challenge. Using WhatsApp for lead generation, particularly in European real estate, is often prohibited due to strict privacy regulations. Fortunately, at the ad set level, you actually have the power to make calls the single conversion location. This tells the system exactly what you want it to focus on. At the ad level, set the number in Call Now, with the optional choice to include a callback option for prospective leads. For sales campaigns, when configuring ads, you have the option to select specific conversion locations, including call and message destinations. Choosing calls as your conversion goal? Great. Now it's time to tell us where those calls should go. You need to directly enter the exact phone number right into your ad configuration. At the ad level, input a phone number for call campaigns. And for messaging destinations, select WhatsApp. Head over to the chat builder. This is where you set up the perfect post-ad click WhatsApp experience. The key? Creating a warm start. Set up an automated greeting and pre-fill some common questions. This simple step dramatically increases lead engagement and response rates. Once that's done, you can sit back and let Placey handle the rest.